gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Ooh, almost hit some garbage on the road. That would have sucked. I know in my last video I said if we got 40 likes, I would get a haircut. I did actually promise, and I didn't deliver because I have been unable to schedule. But you guys don't care about that. I'm wearing a hat today, so you guys don't have to see this mess under here. But guys, what is important is today's content, which is obviously in the thumbnail. You already saw it. This is like the dream spec. This is my daily driver, like ultimate grocery getter dream. Satin black, absolutely specced out with the carbon wheel. I cannot wait. We're pulling up to the shop actually right now, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer than you have to. So leave a like for the algorithm real quick. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 3K, so thank you very much for the continuous support. Seriously means a lot. Pulling up to the shop today. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I wonder if it's inside or if they're even here yet, because I think they're taking it to Buster's to get a little tint job. We got some lights on in the shop, so it looks like we are not the first ones to arrive. Let's go in and check out what's going on, baby. Oh, she's a little salty, a little dirty.
She's filthy.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? We have a total
Holy moly.
1,300 horsepower and 1,300 torque.
Oh my god. This is the dream spec, dude.
I know, right?
I was just telling the people. I was so excited to see it.
Look at the inside, bro.
Ooh, I kind of like the white.
It's so
or the beige, whatever that is.
so dope.
I love this. What year is it? 20? Yeah. I saw this and I immediately skipped over the beautiful RS6 that's sitting right here like it was chopped liver. Okay, let's get a little startup action.
Listen to the lock.
That's like,
Sounds like a safe.
that's aggressive.
Yeah.
I just went to the back to hear like the exhaust and I forgot it's on the sides. Well, it's no C63, but it's kind of subtle. I like it. Man, we got a couple AMGs in the shop. The RS6. What a fun day.
Oh, this is sick over here. Look at this. Really cool. Mercedes-Benz.
Totally make some trips to Meijer in this. Get a little grocery action. Pick up some apples and oranges. Or whatever other groceries you eat. I don't shop very often. The lighting's pretty doo-doo in here. Maybe if I change like this, it'll help. The carbon fiber on the steering wheel is absolutely bonkers. Oh my goodness. 11K miles on the 2020 AMG G63. I love the steering wheel, I must say. Alcantara carbon fiber. It's even got the little racing line. You can see that. I didn't know it did that. That was a sick shot. Man, this girl's filthy, but going for the decon. Hopefully there's no wind noise contaminating my beautiful footage. But holy cow, I cannot wait to see this thing clean. I think my car needs to be cleaned as well, but perhaps a project for later this afternoon. We got a lot of stuff today, ladies and gents. Let me tell you my schedule because you're also interested, I'm sure. I have lunch at 12 today, and I have class at 2, and I have a meeting at 3:30, but I'm making time out of my busy day to bring you all the content because y'all know it needs to happen. When this car is in the shop, what else am I gonna do? The dream spec is sitting right in front of me. I like how the bumper bar is blacked out as well. Taking a break from the outside. That was getting a little loud, but we are jumping around because there is simply so much going on in the shop today. Top coat on the RS6. I like this color probably better than the Nardo.
I haven't seen the Nardo in person on this car, but
I'm in love with this color. G-Wagon's coming out. I'm gonna spray down. Actually, this thing's gotta get rinsed off first. My car I just sprayed with water because she's a filthy girl. Just drove on the highway. And honestly hasn't been cleaned in a while. We already got some frost building up. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, I'm gonna spray mine down. Dude, some birds took a liking to my car over the last day or so. So as unfortunate as that is, it happens. All right, ladies and gents, a couple things have happened in the time since we last spoke. One, the G-Wagon is getting some PPF, so it's over at Buster's, and they're taking it back here hopefully soon. So on this RS6, if you look in here, see if it focuses. Laser radiation, do not stare into beam, class 2 laser product. Ah, interesting. Good to know, I guess. PPF! Ladies and gentlemen, in the G-Wagon, just got freshly tinted. Dude, I can picture myself getting groceries in here. How much room you got back there?
Not a lot.
No? This is how I get rollers right here. Dude, I just felt my seat like tighten up on the right when we turned left. That's insane.
He's gotta be cold out there.
Well, that can't be warm.
Oh yeah, Mitch could just get his yellow one.
Ladies and gentlemen, getting a little bit of a roller action going. Mitch in the S3. Actually, there's two Mitches in the S3.
Mitchmobile.
It is the Mitchmobile as deemed right now. This guy's making me carry his shoes because he doesn't want to get any dirt inside here. Very respectable. Day 2. And speaking of 2, we got buy one, get one free specialty drinks from Big B today. So that was a big, unexpected little surprise. Quick intro for day number 2. See you at the shop. Good parking, gang, today. Evan brought the A6. Let's see what the setup is in here. Hello!
Get the f out of my shop!
Warm welcome as always. That's looking beautiful.
This is scary.
Speaking of beautiful, it's 47 degrees out. We busted out the Tesla for today to get some shots of the G, but Carson is also taking on a secondary project.
We got black badging finally.
Black badges for the AMG, should be looking cool. So the badging that's getting replaced is this one, the one on the other side, and then of course this one, this right here, and then right here. So a total of what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 badges gonna get replaced. You're doing that all today? I'm surprised the Tesla even works, dude. It's been sitting in my car for so long and like it's been cold out, like very cold. All right, line her up good, boy.
Right there.
Now give her a good firm press. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. Maybe here. What do you guys think? Whoa! That adhesive is coming off clean.
Yeah, it is.
That Goo-Gone really doing work on that boy. Oh, look what we have here, a little special surprise. Badge is going on, blacked out all the way around. I don't know, guys, let me know what you think of the red. Carson is getting red calipers, so right now it looks a little silly, but I think once it comes together, it'll all be looking really good. A couple other things happening in the shop today. We got the A6 that is clean, and then the S3, which is getting cleaned. Mitch whipping the Tesla. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hope you can hear me. Got some noise in the shop. A little cleanup action right now. That brings us to the end of the video. So thank you to Evan for letting me hang out, see this amazing G. If you enjoyed the video, of course, hit like for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new, guys. Till next time, I'll catch you later. Adios.